3 hours later, and this is all the slime, and this is nuts. Mom, I made it. Yo, what up guys? Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. If not, let's change that right now. Put a smile on your face. You know, no matter what you're going through, no matter your situation right now, things can always be worse. You just gotta keep your head up, stay positive, keep reaching for your dreams. Don't let nobody tell you you can't. Don't let nobody put you down, because you can. You can do whatever you want. So today's gonna be a good day. I'm currently running errands, paying bills, you know, all that fun stuff. And then we're gonna jump into the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think of this video, and let me know what you want to see in this channel. At the end of this video, I am gonna be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss that. And I'll catch back with you guys when I'm done doing what I gotta do. Yo, what up guys? It's currently the next day. After doing all the things I had to do yesterday, I was super tired, so I'm picking it up today and I'm ready to get this video started. But before we do that, I want you guys to just check out this little clip I put together and enjoy. What up guys? We're currently gonna go make someone's day a little better. We're gonna go put a smile on someone's face. You know, we all have our own problems, we all have our own issues and our own struggles. And if we can do little things that help each other out, this world will be a better place. So that's what this channel is about. I want to spread positivity and try to open up people's eyes. If we just all work together and try to help each other out and be more kind, this life will be easier. So let's go make someone's day a little better. How you doing, man?
Good. Oh, wow, you bro, you're awesome.
You have a great day.
I will. Is it because of this?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Have a great day.
You're the best. I love you. Give me a hug. Give me some Savannah love. Awesome. Thank you so much.
No problem.
You're the best.
Hey.
Oh.
Have a good day, man. Alright guys, so we have our 29 bars of glue, borax, bowls, a measuring cup, some water, and food coloring. If you guys want to know how to make this, I'll leave it down below in the description.
Oh my God.
This is so fun. I play with this all day. Touch it. I wonder how heavy this is.
It looks pretty heavy.
29 bottles later.
Whoa.
You know what you use this for?
What?
A hat.
It's your friend.
My pet slab. I think I got one on my head too.
Oh yeah, you got two.
Yeah, you could have one. Alright, so 3 hours later, and this is all the slime, and this is nuts. I could honestly play with this all day. Comment below what you want me to do with this. Yo, what up guys? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I said I'd be doing a giveaway, which I am. I'm giving away 3 paintball guns. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment down below what you thought of this video and what else you want to see. And peace.